How to fix Bosch Dishwasher E31 error code. I'm going to tell you what the Bosch Dishwasher error code E31 means and how you can fix it. This error code indicates a problem with the heat pump internal heater, often caused by moisture in the base or a system glitch. First, check for water in the base of the dishwasher. Carefully pull the dishwasher out and inspect the bottom. If you find standing water, try tilting the dishwasher slightly to drain it and dry the base thoroughly. Next, remove the filter at the bottom left and the cap for the drying system at the top right. Let the dishwasher air dry for a couple of days with the door open. Or speed up the process by using a hair dryer to blow warm air into the exposed pipe of the drying system. If the error persists, reset the dishwasher by unplugging it or turning off the circuit breaker for at least an hour. This clears any stored errors in the system. After restoring, run a test cycle and watch for leaks. If the E31 error still appears, the heat pump heater may need to be replaced.